Hey there, all my viewers and subscribers on YouTube. Dave Dion here with Almost Retired in Thailand. I just wanted to share a few things with you. For one, I'm going to be heading back to Thailand next week on November 16th. So today is November 9th, so 1 week from now. I'm one of the only people who traveled to Thailand 3 times this year. First time I traveled to Thailand was in April, and I had to do the quarantine in Bangkok, and I actually slipped in during the 7-day quarantine. I was vaccinated, and for a short period of time there, they actually had the 7-day quarantine. So I did the 7-day quarantine, and then I headed to Koh Samui. Spent about 8 weeks there. Came back to the United States, got my wife and our dog, and we went back to Thailand. We went in July, and we actually did the Phuket sandbox. So that was a little bit different experience because it was much more enjoyable quarantine. We were on Phuket for 14 days and pretty much enjoyed every moment of it. As soon as our quarantine was done, we headed over to Koh Samui. Then now I am scheduled to go over there on November 16th. And this time I'm gonna fly into Bangkok, and I'm doing the Thailand Pass version where I will do the quarantine for 1 day in Bangkok, and then I'll head to Koh Samui. But the reason for this video is I ordered a new drone. So my drones are all legal. So when I fly them in Thailand, they're all legal, but I wanted to order a new drone. So I just ordered the DJI Mavic 3. And this is really the unboxing video. So in the past, I bought things and tried to do unboxing videos and always screwed up something. Either the camera ran out of memory, or the camera died, the battery died. And this time, you know what? I do make a mistake. I'm recording this little part of the video after doing the unboxing, but I'm gonna share it with you anyways. You can see that I'm not in the frame for a lot of it, which you don't want to see me anyways, but you'll see what I mean when you watch the unboxing video. And make sure you like and subscribe and comment, because I'm coming back. I've got a lot of content to still post, but I will be posting some hopefully amazing drone videos and sharing some amazing drone shots. So take care, stay tuned, just stick with me for a couple minutes, watch the unboxing, and I'll see you guys in Thailand. Bye. Alrighty. So let's do it. This is the new DJI 3, the new drone, just released this week. I contemplated buying it for about 10 seconds. I've already got the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, got the DJI Mini 2, and I've got the Skydio 2, which has amazing tracking on it. So let's see how this goes. This is the unboxing of the DJI Mavic 3. So let me show you how it's packaged up here. So they put some styrofoam to protect, and a little bit of styrofoam on the bottom to prevent it bouncing around. There is a little red envelope here. Oh, and here it is. This is the 128 gigabyte micro SD XC card. I actually have some in my other drones even bigger than this. I think I have a 256 and a 512. So depending on the file sizes on this, I may change it out with one of the other memory cards. This costs $30, I think, through DJI. And I got the Fly More combo. Here it is all boxed up. I can't remember. This has 2 or 3 batteries, 2 or 3 extra batteries, has a backpack, and ND filters, which I'm gonna have to learn how to use the ND filters, or when to use them. I have them for other drones. I typically don't use them. So, wow, it comes packaged in the backpack already. And instructions on how to get launched, including a QR code. And this is sealed pretty good where, well, I guess you might be able to save it. Yeah. I'm not that good at saving or reusing the packaging, although I think I should be. This thing, I can't estimate the weight on it, but I've heard amazing things about this bag slash backpack. I'm actually going to be going on a trip here to Thailand real soon, and I hope to actually maybe use this as my main backpack. Let's see what's in here first. Strap. Oh, look, it's built-in strap. And there it is. There's the backpack version of it right there. I don't know if you can see that, the backpack version. And nothing else in there. Have to dig around. And a box. The little getting started guide. And this is the charger. 3-port battery charger. These batteries are supposed to last 26 minutes. And then assorted cables and propellers. Assorted cables and propellers. Below it, here's a battery. The form factor of these batteries is definitely different than any of the other Mavics, but they also last 46 minutes. Here's the plug for the charger. And the standard new controller. This is the controller that I got on with the Mavic Mini and the Mavic Pro, I think. So right here, put your phone in, hook a cable up, and the actual joysticks are right here. You just take them off, screw them in, and then unscrew them when you're done, put them back. I actually bought replacements of those in case I actually misplace one or drop one. And here's what we've been waiting for right here. The drone itself. So there's a little catch type attachment right there. And there we go. So this is a shroud that goes over the whole drone. And you can hide the propellers under there. I've seen that it takes a little bit getting used to. You know, I've had the Mini for a while. I actually have a friend who's using the Mavic Pro, so I don't have the Mavic Pro to compare. This thing is large compared to the Mavic Mini, but it's not that heavy. And you'll notice the wingspan on this is actually huge. These legs are big. Battery goes right here. Easy to insert and remove. First thing you'll notice is the camera. There's actually 2 cameras there. One's what, the Hasselblad, much higher quality camera, and then there's another camera up there with the zoom capability. And the first thing you really notice is it's definitely a taller drone, and that accommodates the battery. And you'll notice the sensors all over it. So there's two. They used to be forward facing, but now they're at an angle. So there's two of them in the front and two in the back, which essentially would give it 360-degree sensor capabilities, as well as there's two sensors looking up and there's sensors looking down. So I'm going to get this thing charged up and try to get the app installed and bring it on a test flight today. So that's it, the unboxing of the DJI Mavic 3 with the Fly More packet with 3 batteries, triple charger, and this backpack. I'll see you guys soon, hopefully with some high quality videos.